Welcome, traveler of the hidden realms, to the sanctuary where ancient wisdom is remembered, not learned. Tonight, we gather beneath the full moon's radiant crown to perform a shamanic lunar ritual of renewal, awakening, and return. For 10 sacred minutes, we shall journey into the luminous depths, beyond thought, beyond identity, into the subconscious ocean where your true power rests. But before we begin, hear this truth. In a world of noise, haste, and distraction, many have forgotten the moon. They claim it is a lifeless sphere of dust, a cold mirror floating in the void. Yet the oceans themselves rise and fall at her command. Your blood, your hormones, your dreams, your intuition, all dance with her gravity. This is Hermetic law. As above, so below. What moves in the heavens stirs within you. For ignorance is the true darkness. In this era of flickering screens and fleeting thoughts, many scoff at lunar rituals, branding them superstition or relic of the past. Yet, behold the Hermetic laws, inscribed in the eternal emerald. The law of correspondence decrees, as above, so below, as within, so without. And the law of cause and effect affirms that every shimmer in the heavens births an echo on earth. But you have come here to remember. The full moon is no mere rock in the sky. It is the apex of lunar power, amplifying intuition, emotions, and the subconscious mind. Skeptics reject it, fearing the wild unknown it stirs. But in shamanic and hermetic traditions, we embrace it as a portal. It governs water, the element of flow and emotion. Its day is Monday, its colors silver and pearl, its stones moonstone and pearl, humming with intuitive vibration. In the body, it rules the fluids, the pineal gland, the third eye's gateway, and the rhythms of rest and renewal. In the spirit, it fosters connection to ancestors, spirit guides, and the collective unconscious, recharging the soul's battery with boundless energy. The moon's pull tugs at our inner waters, just as it commands the ocean's tides, awakening dormant energies, dissolving barriers to the soul's hidden chambers, and infusing us with regenerative force. Through this ritual, you connect not just to the moon, but to the primal shamanic currents, the spirit world's bridge to recharge and vitalize your being. Now, let's begin. Prepare your space. Seek solitude in a dimly lit chamber, perhaps outdoors under the moon's direct beam if the fates allow. Sit yourself comfortably, back straight. For correspondences, light silver or white candles, emblems of the moon's purity, arranged in a circle around you, symbolizing the lunar cycle's wholeness. If you hold moonstone, selenite, or a clear quartz, place it in your palm to amplify the flow. But if not, simply bring your presence. Breathe deeply and let the ritual commence. Close your eyes and yield to my guidance. Commence with presence, the shaman's first step into the other world. Inhale through your nose, drawing in the cool, moon-kissed air. Feel it expand your belly, then chest, like the swelling of the tide. Exhale slowly, releasing the day's chaos into the void. With each breath, root yourself in the eternal now. Feel the earth beneath you, solid and nurturing, connecting you to the lower worlds of instinct and shadow. Awaken your senses, bridging the physical and ethereal. Listen to the night's symphony. Inhale. Slow, deep, cool, like drawing light from the night sky. And exhale softly, letting the day dissolve into darkness. Again, Inhale, the tide rises. Exhale, the tide falls. With each breath, the noise of the world fades. Your awareness sinks deeper into the core of yourself. Now, embark on visualization, the shamanic journey's vessel. Imagine an ancient stone circle, bathed in moonlight, inscribed with hermetic glyphs, the crescent and full moon symbols intertwined, glowing with opalescent sheen. You stand at its center, a shaman of the moon, cloaked in feathers and shadow. In hand carved from willow, the moon's sacred wood. Breathe in, and on the outbreath, intone silently or aloud. Spirit of the moon, Luna Selene, bathe me in your silver light. Cleanse my spirit, charge my core, restore my energy. What drains me fades, what heals me flows. In your glow, my power grows. And so it is. Now, visualize the full moon rising immense above the circle. A perfect orb of radiant silver, craters like wise eyes, haloed in ethereal mist. It pours forth beams of light like liquid mercury, enveloping your form. See and feel a white light entering your crown chakra and spreading downward. Explore the moon's correspondences, the threads that weave it into your essence. In shamanic lore, the full moon is the time of culmination, illuminating the subconscious, that vast underground river of dreams, memories, and untapped wisdom. As you behold this visualized moon, absorb its essence. Inhale deeply, pulling in its silver rays. Feel them enter your crown chakra, cascading down like a waterfall of light, flooding your subconscious depths. It washes away mental fog, revealing hidden insights while revitalizing your energy centers. Exhale, expelling exhaustion and doubt, the shadows that dim your inner fire. With each breath, affirm, I am attuned to the moon's wisdom. My subconscious awakens. My energy surges anew. Deepen the shamanic rite. Imagine stepping through a lunar portal, emerging in a dreamlike landscape under the full moon. A vast, silvery meadow ringed by ancient trees where spirit animals prowl. Perhaps a wolf for instinct, an owl for insight. Journey inward. Descend into a crystal cave within your mind, the subconscious realm, where forgotten memories glow like fireflies. Here, commune with your higher self, a luminous figure mirroring the moon. Merge with it, feeling waves of recharge, vitality pulsing through your veins, energizing every cell, banishing fatigue, igniting passion and clarity. In this hermetic shamanic fusion, balance the lunar flow. The moon's shadow is illusion and overwhelm, but tempered with Thoth's intellect, it becomes enlightened intuition. Visualize a silver ankh overlaying the moon's glyph, life eternal fused with subconscious power. As the ritual crests, sense the infused energy solidify in your heart. A glowing lunar orb, your talisman of renewal. Seal it with a gesture. Place hands over your heart, palms inward, and declare inwardly, by the shamanic moons and hermetic stars, this energy is sealed within. Gently return from the journey. The meadow fades, the circle dissolves. Reawaken to your surroundings, the candlelights dance, your steady breath. Stretch your limbs, anchoring the energy into the physical. Conclude with gratitude, the shaman's offering to the spirits. Thank the full moon. O Luna, illuminator of depths, I honor your energy and the gift of subconscious connection and vital recharge. As within, so without. Thank you. And thank yourself, intrepid traveler, for diving into the moon's embrace. I am Thoth, retreating into the mists until the next lunar call. If this ritual rekindled your inner light, like subscribe to Dark Thoth for more arcane meditations and shadowed secrets. Share in the comments what visions arose in your subconscious. Until the moon waxes full again, be intuitive, be empowered.